Pero it's time to say goodbye. Alright? Kaya mo, dito kami sa Baby Mart. Closing. Closing na mga katrops ang Baby Mart. Ayan o. Closing. Ang dami lang ngayon nagko-close ng mga establishment dito sa mga sa mga walang nangyayari. Mahirap magpagdito pero alam nyo na yun. Ito o. Closing sale dito sa Baby Mart. Ayan o. Let's go. The store is closing. Can you see that? They have so many. Wow. Let's go inside mga katrops. Kasi daming sale dito sa PB Mart eh. Come on, let's go. Go outside. See? Closing store.
Oh no.
Yeah. Right, look, see? Read it. See? Entire store 25 to 60% off. Oh my god, please go inside. Oh, hello. Let's go check inside. Oh wow. What? Mga seats. Store wide sales, mga katrops. Let's see how much is this? Yeah. Hindi rin. No. But before is 500, so now it's 471. Oh, it's good.
Why is this so cheap?
No, they're closing, Marley. Let's go check it out. They're almost closing. Like, they're almost out. Look at this, see? Look. This is what you can get. Christmas decor, 70%. Hydraulics, fencing, ammunition. See, you see ammunition, 20%.
Wait.
Like ammo. Yeah, let's go check it out.
Yeah.
It's too much.
Let's go there.
Too much cheap. Yeah, let's go find it. Fixtures. Oh, apparel 25%. Let's go check this one. What are you doing? Daming makasales mga katrops, oh. Ayan, pagka nagtatrabaho kayo kung sa mga construction o alam niyo yung mga laborer, itong mga tawag dito, overall. Ayan o, 25% off. Ayan. Hey, let's go check.
Oh, then let's go to the elementary section.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go to the elementary section.
Yeah, oh, look at the jacket. Oh.
Let's go to the elementary section.
Yeah.
Look.
So kung hindi nyo pa alam mga katrops kung bakit nagsasara yung mga store dito, katulad itong PB Mart, dahil sa nangyaring mga trade war eh. Tingnan mo naman oh, i-take advantage natin itong mga sales dito sa PB Mart. At mostly ng store ng PB Mart mga katrops, buong Canada to at nagsasara na ngayon mga katrops. Ayon sa nabasa ko dun sa isang article, lahat daw yata dito sa Alberta nagsasara, isa lang dito sa Lethbridge. So kung taga dito kayo sa Lethbridge o parating pa lang kayo, puntahan nyo na tong PB Mart, maraming sales dito. Katulad nga ito, mga boots oh, kailangan nyo itong pagka winter. Yan, yan mo mga boots, so yan, working boots. Right time?
Yes.
See that one? So too much sales. Oh, look at this one. I like it. Yeah. Plus 25% pa to mga katrops.
I want plus use 50.
Yeah, you like that? It's so big for you. So, tara mga katrops, tuturo ko kayo kung saan pa yung mga mura-mura ditong bilihin sa PB Mart. Kung hindi nyo pala alam kung saan yung PB Mart dito sa Lethbridge, Alberta, dito lang to sa Mirmagat sa tapat ng Costco. Alright! This side mga katrops is the tools. See, look at there's lots of tools over there. And it's for sale right time?
Yes.
That's that side. How about that side is the hardware? Right, so see there's a screw. You can find screw there, hardware. So what is going to say? This side time, the truck, I mean the automotive time. go check is how much on the automotive section, mga katrops. Right time, yung mga wiper. Yeah. Oh look, see, 25% for the fluids. I mean for the oil. See, mabilisan nyo naman ito. Ang dami nagkakaubusan na. Pinapaubusan na talaga nila. 40% pa, oh. Yeah. See? 25 Grace gun.
25.
Right? Yeah.
25. What is 425?
Yeah, 25%.
60.
Yeah.
25. Wait, I didn't know there's toys here.
There's a toys?
Yeah, let's go to Monica Juice. There's a toy here.
Oh, konti na lang talaga yung natitira ditong area, mga katrops. So, itong area to, ito yung farm. Yeah. Ah, see? Wala na, ubos na, oh. See? Oh, yeah, there's a cat. Yeah, how much is one? See? Look, Dan. You need to buy this cat. Look, kid. Look, it's for sale. This one is for sale.
Is that a real cat?
Yeah. Show to Mama. Kathleen!
We need to buy this cat. It's so
Yeah.
good.
Show to Mama.
We need to. There's a cat. No.
Come here, Kathleen. I show you. This one is a real one. Show to Mama. Show to Mama, dali. Yeah, see. It's a real cat, see? Ooh. Yeah. He's sleeping. Yeah. You can pet it, see? Oh, may pakat pa, mga katrops, oh. See? I think that's for sale. Oh no, you're not for sale. Okay. Yeah. Look at this one, mga katrops, is so cheap. Before it's $259, now it's $129. I think there's more discount to 50% off too. Yeah. So it's cheap here. It's because it's closing, that's why. Go this side. Oh, look at this. Look at this Christmas product is 80% discount. Right, kid? Wow. Let's go. Let's go to the garden. Malapit na kasi yung spring dito eh. So try natin yung garden kung meron pang mga stock dito. Let's go to the garden. Oh, no more. It's closed. What's that? It's like a gun. It's 30% off too. Yeah.
It's literally inside this case.
Yeah. What did you have, Kathleen? Did you buy that one? Wow. Look at that. So much discount. Come on, Kathleen. Let's go this way.
Oh, there's another toys here.
Yeah. Where? Come on, let's go to the toys. Show me the toys time. Maybe we have a good discount here. Realistic toys. Oh wow, look at that. Amazing.
It's a realistic toy.
Oh, 30% off to the toys?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's for the pressure washer for the car. Look, it's for the car. See, all the pack. 40% discount.
What the safe box?
Yeah. Let's go. This way. Oh, welding. May welding po.
What does this mean?
For the welding.
What does this mean?
Yeah. Oh, ang dami talagang discount, mga katrops. So, 20% mga tools. Right time. Oh, vacuum. You want to see the vacuum? That's a big vacuum.
Bugger, what is that second team?
Oh, look at this one. I like it.
Can you buy the vacuum?
No, that's not a vacuum. That's a pressure washer, Ducky.
Yeah, but I want to buy that vacuum.
You wanna what?
I want to buy that.
You wanna buy this vacuum? Okay, let's go check the price first.
Solar panels.
Oh, solar panel, yeah.
I found this 100 solar panels.
Come on, let's go this way. Oh, look at this. This is the big one. The pressure, I made the generator.
What is this program?
See? 600 na lang mga katrops. Oh. Generator. Oh, look, see? We need this one.
Why?
You saw how much? Oh, before is 800, now it's 500 plus 30%
That's fat.
discount.
Ow, that's fat.
Yeah.
Papa.
Oh, you want that?
No.
No.
So big.
So big. Oh, let's go. Come on. Alam mo kasi mga katrops, pag final sale na, ang downside kasi pagka mga itong closing na, hindi mo na ma-return yung product. So pagka bumili kayo ng ano dito sa PB Mart, kailangan final na yung decision nyo kasi hindi nyo na mababalik yung ano, yung produkto na binili nyo. Mali, ayaw nyo o mali, wala na, hindi na pwedeng may balik. Right, Dan?
Saving your video.
Yeah. Hurry up, let's go.
What the fuck?
So hanggang dito na lang siguro yung vlog natin sa closing ng PB Mart. Alright?
PP Mart.
So stay tuned and rock and roll.
PP Mart.
Peace out.
Bye bye PP Mart. Bye bye PP